All right, so hopefully you are able to hear me as well as see this screen. So this is the last video in this section. We're going to do these on Thursday, as well as that number 2 that we skipped above in one of the earlier lessons. We're going to do those on Thursday. It has more to do with Thursday's lesson than today's lesson. So the first thing that I recommend for you is to delete the line where you're going to write your answer in, because I have found that if you try to type in over top of it, margins and things and spacing gets all messed up. So it's just easier to do that. Now, we just did in the last 19-minute video a whole lot of conversions. So I'm hoping that you are clicking directly to this from that, and we can jump right into it. So we know that we need always ones. So we know we need something in the ones column. So that's going to be 2 for this number. So you're going to put 2.0 times 10, because we know that it's units of 10 when we're doing scientific notation. And then there is no way to do exponents in Google Docs, at least from what I could tell easily. So the best thing to do, all I'm asking you to do, is to use the caret. So that's the little symbol that's over the 6 on the keypad. So you're going to do Shift and 6, and it'll give you the caret. And then to know what number needs to be there for the exponent, you've got to count. So you're going to put your cursor there at the end of the number and then count how many zeros. Now, it's easy to get tripped up because you're going to want to count every time you move the cursor. And remember, when you get to that comma, the cursor is going to move, but you don't count that move. So we've got 1, 2, 3 zeros there, and then 4, 5 zeros. So there's 5 total zeros. We move the decimal 5 times. So that would be 10 to the 5th. And then it's staying liters. The next one, I'm going to delete our line. And our whole number would be 3. So we have 3.0 times 10. And then our caret. And then this time it's going to be a negative. So the negative is there next to the 0. It has the 2 lines on it, and you don't hit shift. You just type it without hitting shift, and that'll give you the negative. And then to know what number that needs to be, we've got to count. So we're going to put the cursor where the decimal is, and then move the cursor to where the decimal is going to be and count how many that is. 1, 2, 3. So this should be 10 to the negative 3rd, and then meters. All right, next one. We know that it's going to be 3.4 times 10, and then we need our caret, and we also need our negative. So right now the decimal's right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We had to move it to get it between the 3 and the 4. So that would be 10 to the negative 5th kilograms. All right. And of course, you're pausing and all that to work on it before you get the answer, right? Right. All right. So next one, our whole number is 5.0 times 10. Caret. Don't need a negative this time. We do have to be careful about decimal, about the commas though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 10 to the 8th meters. Last one. Pause and work on it. It's your last chance to do one on your own. All right, our whole number is 7.4 times 10, and our caret, and our minus, because we've got a decimal number this time. Cursor goes where the decimal is. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10 to the negative 4th grams. Now we are going to meet on well, I don't know how to get rid of this, so I'll just talk over top of it. We'll be having our meets again on Thursday. We will not have a meet on Wednesday because I have a professional development. Same times though, 11, 1, and 2, and then I'll also will make videos as well. And that will finish the bottom of this page, the one that we skipped from earlier, and then we'll continue more conversions. Thank you guys. Take care of yourselves. Wash your hands.